Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about the dollar index and we're going to go over the weekly chart. And I have to tell you that my last setup in the dollar index went wrong. It's a bust. Okay, why? Because we did have time and price parameters come together where these swings were very similar, and we also had some key support that we were holding above. We started to see a little bit of a rally off of that area and thought that if it continued that it could, extend much higher, but no such luck. We didn't get the follow through. The original low that was made into the time and price decision was taken out, so that makes that setup a bust. Okay, so you should be out of any bets that you would have made against that. Now, does that mean that we can't resume the rally still in the dollar? No, it doesn't. But we have to look at this differently, and we have to look at this as a separate and different trade. Now, if you look at the times of these prior declines, they're still kind of similar, and plus the largest one here has been 24 weeks, and after all, we're only now 25 weeks from this last high, so these swings are still similar. We're still above this prior major swing low, and there are some other support decisions that come in underneath the market. But I certainly don't want you to say, well, if this doesn't hold, then maybe this will hold, and if that doesn't hold, then maybe this will hold. You have to be disciplined. If something doesn't play out as expected, get out and wait for the next setup. So as far as my next decisions in this one, I actually will have to look very closely at, let's see, this area 95.22 to 36 area, as it includes a 1618 extension of this low to high plus multiple projections of prior declines. So we still have some of the similar things happening here, but again, this was a bust because it did initially start to rally off of that area, but then it came back through it, so that's no longer any good, those parameters. So the next areas, again, we're going to watch this underneath the market, and just keep in mind that the decline is still similar to one of these larger declines in time, so 24 versus 25, and also the larger pattern, it's still above this prior swing low, so it is possible that maybe you get a little bit more to the downside. And if we start to see new buy triggers against the other parameters, then there's reason again to place a bet. Okay, but not until then.